Today we've fitted the Starline i96 Pro system on this brand new 2022 Audi RS3. So if someone was to obviously do a relay attack, clone the key, or try and start it, what would happen? It simply won't start. So you can see. So what the customer will have to do to start this vehicle is go through authorization. This can be done by either pairing their phone with an adjustable Bluetooth range or by going through a push sequence. So with the push sequence, what we do is foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop our disarm code in, there we go, got our disarm tone. Now we can start the vehicle. Just turn this off. So as you can see, the vehicle's running. So this system, when they leave the vehicle, turn it off, wait 10 seconds, system automatically arms, and the vehicle's protected. So if someone was to hop in now with a cloned key, try to start it up, vehicle doesn't start. So you have to go through either the push sequence or present the phone. If the customer wants to change the code, how they do that is first ignition on without your foot on the brake and disarm the system, get our disarm tone. Now we press one of the buttons 5 times and cycle the ignition. Off and back on, 5 bleeps. There we go, now it's ready to learn the code. So we'll just change it to one of these buttons. And this can be a combination of 3 to 21 presses of any supported buttons in any combination the customer chooses. So now we've got our confirmation, we'll just repeat that code again to confirm it. There we go, we've got our confirmation, that's the code changed. If you want to take this for a service and obviously take it back to Audi, you don't want to disclose the code to them. You obviously don't want to give them your phone, you just want it to act and behave like a normal car. So for that you need to put it into service mode, and to do that, ignition on without your foot on the brake, disarm the system with the push sequence or your phone, receive your disarm tone, there we go. Now press any button 11 times. Ignition off, back on, we get 2 bleeps. There we go, now this is a normal car. So when Audi get it, all they need to do, hop in and start it. They'll be none the wiser there's an immobiliser fitted, it will just act and behave as a normal car. When you get it back, you'll obviously want it protected again, and how you do that, ignition on without your foot on the brake, code will get 2 bleeps. There we go, and this car is protected. Like I said, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the leading installers in the UK for Starline systems. On this vehicle we fitted the i96 Pro, and this is a 2022 RS3. Like I said, with this system, once you leave the vehicle it takes 10 seconds to arm, and if someone hops in after 10 seconds and tries to start it, the vehicle just won't start and you need to go through your push sequence. So if you want to secure your vehicle, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.